Making pizza isn't difficult and anyone can do it at home. You just need the ingredients, an oven, and a little time in TLC. See our full recipe in the description. Step 1. Make the pizza dough. You'll need to make the dough in advance. In a bowl, mix warm water, instant yeast, a little sugar, olive oil, and flour. Let rest and rise. Step 2. Knead and roll the dough. You'll need to make the dough into a flat, round shape. Roll it until thin. Step 3. Add and spread the sauce. Spread the tomato sauce onto the dough and add mozzarella cheese. Some Parmesan works too. Step 4. Add toppings. Pepperoni, ham, tomatoes, mushrooms, and so many more toppings can be added. Use your imagination. Step 5. Bake and serve. Put the dough onto a cookie sheet or pizza pan and bake at a hot temperature, around 10 minutes or until a light brown crust. Step 6. Eat and enjoy. Deliciosa.